Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove downloads and free up space on the Audible mobile app. And in this video I'm going to be using an iPhone, but it's the exact same on Android. And if this video has been helpful, I'd appreciate a like and subscribe to this channel. Let's get into it. So what you need to go to is on the bottom row, there's the library button, press that, and then go to all on the top menu. And now we can see all of the different titles that I have linked to my account. I'm going to refresh right there. And basically, if we scroll down, we can see some of the audiobook artwork looks a little bit different. Some of the audiobook artwork is complete and it looks very bright, and then some of it doesn't look very bright and it has a sort of black triangle with a download button. That means that it hasn't been downloaded yet. But any of the album artworks or the audiobook artworks that are complete, that do not have the download symbol, that means that they have previously been downloaded onto your device and are taking up memory or storage space on your device. So what you need to do is press the three little dots button on the right hand side of the title. And then right down below, it says remove from device. If you press that, it will completely delete this audiobook from your device and free up space on your device so that maybe you can take more pictures or download songs or whatever you want to do from there. So guys, hopefully this video has been helpful. If it has, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. And if you do have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below as well. Thanks very much.